I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Amazon account. Now, the first thing we need to do is open up your preferred browser and head on over to Amazon. In the top right, click Accounts and Lists, and it will take you to your account. Alternatively, you can hover over Accounts and Lists and then click your account. From here, we want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and then under Manage Your Data, you will see Close Your Amazon account. So just click that. You'll be prompted to re-log into your account, so ensure that you actually know your password. I would highly suggest that you read all of this here, but essentially it's saying once you close your Amazon account and delete your data, it will not be recoverable. And also below, it will show all of the different Amazon services that will become unavailable once you close your Amazon account. As you can see, I have dark mode on, which makes some of the logos difficult to see, but for you, you'll probably be able to read these with ease. And then if you go all the way to the bottom, it reaffirms again that this is a permanent action. And then you have to select the main reason that you want to close your account. So let's just say that we have another account, although I do not. Then you want to click this checkbox to confirm, yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data. Then you click close my account. After you do this, it isn't automatically closed. You will go to one more landing page. And essentially what that does is it will either send you a text message or it will send you an email with one more button to press before your account is actually closed permanently. And that's all there is to it. Very simple. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.